Hello everybody and welcome to our Zürn harvesting manufacturing site here in Merching, Germany. My name is Samuel and I want to present you something today which is well proven yet brand new. In the background you see our Premium Flow 700 belt header for Case and New Holland combines. The Premium Flow is perfectly suitable for all types of crops, whether it's canola, pulse crops, of course cereals, but also specialty crops. I'm now standing in front of a 25-foot version, but in general we build it starting with 22-foot, which is 6.70 meters, up to 40-foot, which then equals 12.20 meters. With a 10.70 meters or 35-foot version, we start to split the auger and also the knife. With a 40-foot version, we then also have a split reel. I think we started with a Premium Flow in 2005 for John Deere combines. That was the first generation, and in the last years we came to the conclusion that we also should offer it for Case and New Holland combines based on the customer inquiries we got. Now, some of you may think that we just paint that header in a different color now, but actually we make sure that it's a seamless integration on the mechanical, electrical and hydraulical side for all makes of combines. What really makes this header stand out is the optimum crop flow in all crops and under all conditions, so you can make the most out of your combine's performance. We get there by having a very long and deep table, which is then bridged by those conveyor belts. So you can either go in a large, tall crop that has enough space to fall over, but also into a small, laying crop that is then picked up, fed into the combine. And by the way, it could also be both, standing on the one side, laying on the other side. In comparison to a variable auger header, the Premium Flow convinces with a smooth crop flow, especially in tough and critical conditions. Compared to draper headers, even large crop volumes are pre-compressed and safely fed into the combine with a massive auger. The critical 90-degree redirection onto a center belt is therefore redundant. Thanks to the conveyor belts facing forward, the crops are picked up into the header without shattering them with the reel. The Premium Flow has a very low maintenance effort and can be converted to any crop in record time. Important for that is the fact that we always deliver a full spec that affects small things like the stubble lights here, a spare knife or even the toolbox, but also key components like the mechanically driven side knives here on the back wall of the header, which we will now clip on without any tools. The crop dividers can then be stored at the back wall of the header instead of the side knives. The next step would be to reduce the belt speed to not throw around the seats by means of this small hydraulic valve here, and also lift the auger hydraulically with that pump and lever. The final step is then to adjust the finger timing of the intake auger. For canola, it's important to have an early timing pushing down the bulky crop. Dependent on the position of the intake auger, it may be necessary to also adjust the strippers on the back wall of the header. On the Premium Flow, we have an adjustment outside the header to simplify that step. On a regular basis, we are getting questions around the maintenance of the belt units. So I'm happy to show you that real quick. I think it's a lot easier than you may expect. In the first step, we remove the two covers on a belt unit. Then we can freely lift it and also pull out the drawer, which collects dirt and debris over time. For easy maintenance and especially cleaning, there are numerous service openings on the premium flow. One of them is just between the belt units, which you can open without tools and release dirt to the ground. Talking about maintenance, also on the cutter bar, we have made sure to have the highest wear life also on these knives and the guards by using the Schumacher roller guides here in the back. Just one last comment. This blue carrier here is obviously not the right header trailer for your needs, but we are very happy to deliver the right one together with a premium flow, whether it's a single axle or even four-wheel steered version. That was a short overview on the premium flow belt header for Case and your Holland combines. I hope we covered everything. If you have any more questions, feel free to approach us. See you next time. Goodbye.